Hello viewers, in this video we will be discussing a little bit about the translation method in the process of learning English, right? So yes, translation method is a way to learn a language, but in my suggestion, when you are friends giving your so much of quality time, your efforts, and your intimacy and your determination towards English, then I would suggest that you do not adapt to translation method. No. Why? Because just go back in your childhood and try to recollect how does a child, you were a child, so you will not remember what you did in your childhood, but if you see the other children, and we know the process, so you will know that a child, does he use translation method to learn? No. He even doesn't know his own mother tongue. But there is only one language that a child knows, is the language of love, affection, and to some extent lip reading, right? Because that time he is only listening and he is watching and he is using his sensitivity, which every child is born with, right? And he watches lip reading and he tries to imitate. Many a times he cannot pronounce the words, the letters, and then slowly he develops. So that time he doesn't know any language. Forget about mother tongue, English, anything. No, he doesn't know any language. He only knows the language of imitation, of lip reading. That also he learns on his own, and slowly he comes into the process of learning his own mother tongue, or the language he has heard maximum people speaking around him. So we are going to, let us adapt the same method, because this is a natural method. It will work very fast and it will surely work. Because if you are able to speak in your mother tongue today, is because of this method, right? So this is a guarantee that yes, I have learned in my mother tongue, so I will surely, in the same method, I will learn this foreign language also. Am I right? Okay. So I suggest don't go for translation method as far as possible. It may sound easy, but it will not. You will not speed up with this. You will not get fluency. Every time, whenever you are into conversation, you will frame a statement in your mind in your mother tongue, and then you will go to translate it, and it will become very. You are not going to, yes, it will give you conversation, it will land you in what you call survival English with among your friends and all, yes, but otherwise when you have to, where fluency is needed, where you will see people where 10 friends and 6 of them are talking very fluently and coming out word after word after, you have vocabulary, but you do not get fluency, because every time you think of the word in your mother tongue and then you translate. So, it becomes very difficult for your computer, to quickly find out the vocabulary first in Hindi and then the exact and many words, the biggest drawback is many of the words which are in your mother tongue may not be found in English. Because both languages are different, the expressions are different. So it is my suggestion, don't go for translation method. As far as possible, listen to native speakers, listen to some good English songs, some English movies or English channels, even news also. Times of India, there are many newspapers you can read in English, and read aloud, record, let the video recorder on and read. Try to catch your own mistakes. Self-study after age, yes. Self-study is the best method. Even in our childhood also, we did self-study. Because when mom said something and you listened, and when you couldn't pronounce, again you listen to the same word. Hey, my sona, my babu. So, how you were getting the word. So, get into the same process, because we are speaking in our mother tongue so fluently is itself a very big guarantee that the same method, if we adapt to our English learning, will surely help us. Right? So if you have liked my video, friends, do give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and keep in touch, for I will be coming up for more such motivational videos for you towards English. Thank you. Thank you, friends.